Hello guys, welcome to Coding Cafe. So in the previous video tutorial, as you remember that we add these yellow balls, and when a fish eat this yellow ball, then the score increase by 10. Okay, so per ball the score is 10. So you can see that. Okay, here if I get this yellow ball, then the score increase by 10. Now in this video tutorial we will first add another green ball, and when the fish eat that green ball, then the score will increase by 15 or 20. I mean whatever you like. And then we will add the red ball, so whenever the fish eat the red ball, then the life of a fish will be destroyed. So yeah, in the previous tutorial, as you remember, that we have also add the the initialization for our green ball. Okay, green X, green Y, and green speed by 20, and the green pant. So yeah, come down here, and here we have this yellow pant. When we were working for the yellow pant. So what we're gonna do here, you can simply copy this yellow pant, Control C, and paste that here down below, and we will change it for the green pant. So we can say green pant, and change this color to green. And now come down here, and here when we say this one, yellow X equals to yellow X minus yellow speed, select from here and copy up to here. Okay, Control C, and now we can simply paste that here, and we will change it for the green one. So change this yellow X now to green X, and this change to green X and green speed. So this one is for the green and the upward is for the yellow. Okay, and also change this to green X and green Y, and change this to green X, and this one to green X, green Y. Canvas.draw circle, and change this to green X, green Y, and change this yellow pant to green pant. And if you want to increase the size of this green ball, then you can change this from 25 to 30 or 35, whatever you want, but I will leave it as it is. And as I told you, from here we can increase the score. If the user if the fish eat this green ball, then we will increase the marks by 20, or whatever you want. You can simply write here 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 60, whatever you want. You can simply write that digit here, but I want to increase the marks for the green ball by 20. And also change this yellow X to green X, since we are working for the green X here. Okay, so this is our green ball, and this is our yellow ball on which we work in the previous tutorial. So now let's run the app to see if it is working or not. So our app is running now successfully, and now you can see that the green ball and the yellow ball. Now let's get this green ball, and you can see that the marks increased by 20. You can see that. Okay, let's get another green one, and then you will see it that the marks increase by 20. And if I get any yellow ball, then the marks will increase by 10. You can see that. Okay, so in this way we have added the green ball, the yellow ball, and you can see that for the green ball the score increased by 20, and for the yellow ball the score increased by 10. So now the next thing is to add a red ball, or you can say a danger ball, because red color represents the danger. So when the fish eat the red ball, then it will destroy the fish health. So copy that, and we will change this for the red ball. So paste that here, and instead of calling it green, we can say red X, red Y, and then we have red speed, and the paint will be red paint. Yeah, that's it. And the speed of this ball will be 25 because the danger level must be high. So come here and inside our flying fish view, copy this and we will change it for the red. So red paint, and change this also to red paint, and change this color to red. And come down here and inside our on draw method, what we gonna do, we have our this yellow ball and then we have our this green ball. So here we can simply copy this green code and we will change it for the red ball. So here we can paste that here. Okay, so paste that here and let's change this to a red X, then this one to red X, and red speed, and here we can say red X, red Y, and this to red X, and this one to red X, and this one to red X, and green Y to red Y. And yeah, that's it. And here remove this score increment from here because this is a danger ball, and the size of this red ball will be 30. Change this to red X and this green Y to red Y. So make sure to do the same changes which I am doing here. Okay, and change this green paint to a red paint. So yeah, let's run the app to see if it is working or not. So our app is running now, and now you can see that the green one, the yellow one, and the red one. So now we just here we see that the red ball is coming, but in the next video when the fish eat this red ball, then the health of the fish will be destroyed. You know that the health lifetime of a fish is 3. Okay, here you can see there 1 2 3 life. Okay, so whenever a fish get this red ball, then his 1 life will be destroyed. So yeah, that's it for this video, and if anyone is new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel, thumbs up for this video, and if you have any question or suggestion, then let us know in the comment section down below. So take care of yourself and bye for now.